My co-hosts are both here, so I guess we can get started. Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space, I have an open invitation for you guys out there to participate in a challenge video that I'm going to issue here in just a second. But before that, I wanted to touch on something. Earlier this week, or this past weekend, I was involved in a collaboration that was hosted by the lovely Sharon over at Sharon, She's So Fabulous, and the handsome Zane over at Home with Zane. And what they had asked us to do was to pretend like we were presenters on QVC. And so I did that collaboration with them, and in that I showed this. This a cake stand, this a beautiful cake stand. It is made out of thrifted items. And a lot of people sent me emails and said, where can I buy one of those? And you can't, because I told the truth in the video. I made it. I took two items that I got from the Salvation Army, a candlestick, which is the bottom, and a plate. A big like serving plate, and I glued them together to make this crystal teak, is what I called it, cake stand. I actually think the candle is crystal because it had a little sticker on it still on the inside that said crystal, and then the plate I think is glass. So I put those together to make my item for the presentation. They just said you could do something DIY or something that's a real product. So I, with my love of cake stands, did a cake plate. So yeah, you can't buy this, but you can make your own, and that's what this invitation is for. I am inviting all of you out there to participate in a open challenge to make your very own and DIY thrifted cake stand. And it doesn't have to look like mine. It doesn't have to be clear glass. It doesn't have to be made out of any of the materials that any of my cake stands. If you are familiar with my channel and you've seen I've made cake stands in the past, I actually did a challenge like this with my girlfriend Krista like 2 years ago to DIY a cake stand. And so now I'm issuing my own challenge to do a DIY thrifted cake stand. You can make it out of any material you want. It doesn't have to be a candlestick and a plate. It can be like a glass, because I did one out of a wine glass once. It can be a vase. It can be anything you want, just as long as you're making a cake stand. So, rule number one with this is every item has to be thrifted. And I know some people don't like to thrift and stuff, so I mean secondhand. So you can go to a thrift store like Goodwill, Salvation Army, St. Vincent de Paul. There's millions of them. I'm not going to name them all. You can go to a flea market and look. You can go to a garage sale. You can go to an estate sale. Anywhere you can get secondhand items. It can't be brand new from Home Goods or anything like that. And second rule, it can't be from the Dollar Tree. So I know a lot of us use the candlesticks and stuff that come from the Dollar Tree to make all kinds of candle holders and stands and things like that. I don't want any Dollar Tree or 99-cent item pieces. Even if you go to your thrift store and you find the Dollar Tree candlesticks, no. We want items that are thrifted that aren't from the Dollar Tree. So anything goes. You can make it out of wood, metal, ceramic, glass, crystal. I don't care. I just want to challenge you guys to go and do a DIY thrifted cake stand. And the upload date is going to be for this April 20th. That's a Friday. And you can get that out anytime in the morning. Just make sure the title of it is DIY Thrifted Cake Stand. If you don't do that, I'm not going to be able to find your video to put in the playlist. Now, I will make the playlist available that you can add your own videos, but I've had that not work once in the past, and in order to get in the playlist, I'm going to have to search your video, or you can email me the link if you want, but I'm not requiring you to do that. I know a lot of people are busy, they have busy lives, and for me sometimes it's difficult to email a link. So I am not requiring that. I'm requiring it to say DIY Thrifted Cake Stand. And you can put hosted by, you know, Lacee space, and then it might be easier for me to find that way too. So the rules are thrifted items, no Dollar Tree or 99-cent store items, upload on Friday the 20th, and show everyone what you came up with. I can't wait to see. I am going to be showing probably more than one. Try to keep your videos not too lengthy too, like under 10 minutes. I mean, so everybody can get through them at a pretty decent pace. So that's it. Open invitation for you guys to go in this challenge with me. I hope a lot of you participate. You can say down below if you're going, and then I can make a list of potential participants in it, and I will see you guys in that challenge. I want to thank everybody else out there for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I don't know why you're not a member. We have a lot of fun here. Hang out with us when I do videos. Hit that little notification bell too, then you won't miss out on a video that I post. Also, I'm over on Instagram. It is Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here. And so I will catch you guys the next time. Bye, loves.